What's up, y'all? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash. We light stuff up, Delmarva Christmas lights. So, guys, I'm always giving you tips, tricks, how to fix this or that, and something that's important is making those networking opportunities within the industry and being able to go visit somebody's shop. It's cool to see, hey, we've got a massive shop. Most other contractors are like, man, we got like a quarter of the space. I'm so jealous about that. And I don't say that to gloat, but it's cool to see what people will do with a smaller area or what they're doing, whatever stage. And it can be the simplest little thing. So these reeds now all have a piece of tape. We got blue over here. See that? I stopped by John Karmazin's spot, Revive Power Wash, and the way they have all their takedown bins labeled is that they put a piece of tape on it so they know what size wreath to grab. What we ran into a couple times last year is guys looking at it like trying to guess, is that a 36, is that a 48? And it's such a simple little thing. We had them all upstairs, they were all like back behind there's a huge storage area. We had them all over there, and then we'd have new ones, and so sometimes the wrong ones were grabbed, and then we were messed up on our inventory. This way we know, hey, grab, hey, we need two of the ones with the red duct, or red, we just got electrical tape. You can do duct tape is what he had. And whether you use duct tape on the bins and electrical tape on there, whatever. As long as the colors are the right, that's fine. But it's literally such a simple thing. Just by spending, half hour or maybe more like a little about an hour or so hanging out with John at his shop, or coming here to visit our shop and see how we're arranging things. There's so much value to be gained in that. Seeing process, just seeing, hey, that's a cool way to prep this or that, or how you store this, or just ideas. The other real simple thing was they had a little magnetic sheet for basically whose job is it to take care of the trash in the shop, filling these bad boys up, and who's taking care of sweeping the floor this week. 2 days a week, we're working 4-day weeks right now. So on Tuesdays and Thursdays, who takes care of that? Instead of it constantly falling either back on myself or my ops manager, just have it go through a rotation. So they literally have it says the 3 on the side, so trash, bathroom, or trash, flooring, and the fridge. And then John even had like here's your Tuesday, and has smiley faces and frown faces. So, Rob was supposed to clean the floors. He didn't do a good job on that. So he's got a frowny face on Tuesday and a smiley face on Thursday. Put them on some like little magnetic things so you could just slide the names and stuff over. Super, super basic thing. It's not a high tech, not some big schedule. A new guy starts working, you add his name. Somebody gets fired, you remove his name. It's real simple. Just, hey, add a little dry erase, like magnetic pieces. Love it. It's a basic idea. It got something done. And, I was in the area. I had to make a road trip, and it's like, hey, who do I know on this route? And I saw Allentown. I was like, I'm stopping by there. Visited and did a Christmas lights training, picked up a lot of stuff in Virginia, see how they were running things, gave them some feedback, some tips and things from what I'm seeing and what we do, best practices, or just things that we do differently. We don't always know the reason why we do something, but once you go to another spot, you can say, hey, maybe we should change the way we're doing that. So hope this helps, guys. Go visit another company, even if they're in your own area. Sometimes you guys can get mutual ideas out of stuff that can be very helpful going forward. So have a great day. See ya.